Did you know Arnold Palmer made more money from iced tea than from 52 years of professional golf? This is absolutely insane. Palmer won 7 major championships and 62 tour events over 5 decades, earning $1.8 million total. But here's where it gets crazy. His drink deal with Arizona makes over $200 million every single year, even though he died in 2016. The Arnold Palmer drink started in the 1960s when he kept ordering half lemonade, half iced tea at restaurants. Other golfers copied him, and it became a thing. In 1971, he signed the licensing deal that changed everything. Today, his estate gets $40 million annually just from Arizona alone. While Michael Jordan and LeBron get credit for athlete branding, Palmer was doing this decades earlier. He built an empire with golf courses, car dealerships, and beverages sold in 25 countries. His drink generates more revenue than most Fortune 500 companies. One simple beverage order created generational wealth that dwarfs his legendary golf career.